Udah mulai nih ya. Udah mulai belum nih ya? Tes. Oke, kita udah online guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semuanya balik lagi di channel YouTube Anang Didik. Oke guys, hari ini kita akan main game Red Dead Redemption 2 lagi guys. Kita jadi cowboy lagi hari ini ya. Oh ya, yang kemarin udah nonton replay ya, karena kemarin tuh Amang-Anang streaming di jam 1 malam kalau nggak salah ya. Hari ini main di jam 9. Mungkin masih pagi ya bagi sebagian orang. Oke, yang belum subscribe jangan lupa di subscribe dulu, terus di like, share, dan di komen. Oke, kita langsung aja guys. Oh ya, yang kemarin itu ternyata nggak ke save. Jadi kita kemarin itu berburu beruang rencananya, cuma kayaknya nggak ke save deh. Jadi hari ini kita jalankan misi yang lain aja ya. Ini nih aki-aki yang kemarin. Enggak. Pemabuk gitu. Kita tentukan dulu lokasinya guys. Nggak ada ya. Oh ini ada, ini RS nya apa ya? Mungkin ini yang lebih penting deh. Oke, kita ke sana ya. Kita lihat ada apa di RS tadi. Kuda kita mana nih? Ini. Topi kita emang nggak ada ya? Oh ini ada. Akhirnya kita pakai topi lagi. Suruh lurus. Lewat sini. Oke, kita tancap guys. Kita ke lokasi yang ditentukan tadi ya. Lurus ya. Oh ada kereta. Salah jalur dong. Sorry. Lewat sini aja ya. Wis, gambarnya ini bener-bener dah nggak ada matinya kalau game ini. GTA lewat. Bener. Oh, liatin. Itu side mission, nggak usah. Kita jalankan misi utama aja dulu ya. Udah nyampe ya? Udah nyampe, dekat doang ternyata. Ini kuda parkir di mana ya? Ada kereta. Kita taruh dulu ya. Oke, udah kita ada parkir guys. Terus kita kemana nih? Masuk. Kita kayaknya masuk deh.
Mr. Morgan.
Huh?
I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
And your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace. No more shall I sink, sir. I am free.
Aku
You don't
bebas
seem
katanya.
free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just wanted to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason.
Sambil monitor dulu ya
One of my
di
strong
handphone
points
aja.
neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along?
Karena monitornya
He's a
cuma
good
satu,
man
jadi ya
out there, children of God.
kita monitor di handphone aja dulu ya. Keren.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
Main apa enggak nih ya? Main kita.
Sure.
Kita coba main ya.
I'll play a few hands.
Kalau ngerti, kalau nggak ngerti udah nanti out aja kita. Kita berjudi guys. Berjudi itu dilarang ya. Cuma ini cuma permainan.
I'm Luther. This is Marvin.
Uang kita berapa? $6.
Fortunate for you both for being gentlemen about this.
Same goes for you.
So, how you two know each other anyway? Don't seem like the likeliest of friends, if you don't mind me
Q sama
saying.
10.
You go a long way
Emang dia
back.
ngapain ya?
And now you're his chaperone.
I guess it's something like that. Can we
Q
play?
sama 10, Q sama 10. Ini taruhannya berapa sih?
He can't be no real clergyman. He
Eh,
committed
oh,
about 5
$2,
cardinal
oke.
sins just in that chair you're sitting in.
I think he used to be.
Oh bukan, itu taruhannya tuh yang 12 tuh.
Drifted a little in recent years. Life is a challenge.
Q lagi.
All of us.
Kita dapat double Q guys.
Can you imagine him at the pulpit? If he could stand up.
On
Kita cek aja dulu ya.
They turned water into whiskey.
Kita nggak usah gertak-gertakan deh.
Much after that.
Pembukaan masih. As. Aduh.
He's a decent fella going through a bad
7,
time.
8.
Disrespect him
9,
again, and
10.
you'll find yourself
Oh,
in a
kita
bad
tetap
time
kalah.
too.
All right, all right. Just
Kita nggak
trying to
punya
have a little
9
fun here.
guys.
It
Sama
is a
nggak
game
punya Jack.
after all, mister.
Ayo keluar 10. 10. Mantep. Menang kita guys. Kita tambah $10. Oke.
Let's get this thing moving a little.
Berani gak lo? Hah? Hah? Berani gak lo?
Please make
Ah,
it
berani dia
interesting.
guys. Astaga, berani dia.
Crap. Don't laugh.
Come on.
Could have been worse.
Menang kita, menang.
There we go.
Ya. Kita menang guys. Oke ya, cabut dulu ya. Nggak bisa. Leave.
Gentlemen,
Oke,
this is getting too rich for me.
Sit down.
Oh, I'm done.
Kita udah menang sekali ya,
friend,
udah.
your education. Come on, Rip. Where is he? Where'd he go?
lah kemana teman tadi? Yang satu tadi,
Where?
yang mabok.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Reverend Swanson, where'd you go?
Cari Reverend Samson.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. You see a drunken idiot? Priest
Kamu melihat
walking
orang
about?
yang mabuk idiot katanya.
We saw him, smelt him, and avoided him.
Oh,
He went that way, I think.
oh dia ke sana.
Guy looked kind of
Oke,
crazy,
kita pakai
mister.
kuda aja guys. Hah, kuda kita kemana? Ayo, kuda kita mana? Kelewatan. Jangan kabur. Oke, kita jemput dulu om-om yang mabok tadi ya. Mana dia? Oh, jauh juga dia ya. Oh, itu dia tuh. Ngapain dia?
Get your hands off him.
You'll keep.
Diganggu sama orang dia guys.
You
Tengkar.
stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch.
What the hell is your problem?
He's
Ini
with
semua
me.
nih. Rasakan kau. Ini nangkis apa kemarin ya? Sini kau. Aduh.
You bastard!
Ah, lupa pula nangkis.
Come on!
Rasakan lagi. Ah, kalah kita. Rasakan kau. Hah? Kita loot dulu dong. Kita jadi buronan ya. Ambil topinya. Astaga, kenapa? Oh, yang tadi kabur. Aduh. Retry. Checkpoint.
Oh my God, killed him. I'm gonna keep the law on you.
Yo, kita kejar. Oh, banyak domba. Mana dia? Gimana dia?
Hey you, get back here.
Sembunyi kemana lu? Hah? Hah? Sini lo. Sini. Panggil kuda kita yuk. Jangan tembak.
I said stop, damn it.
Yeah, okay. I will
Ah,
tell the
ah.
story. I promise.
This never happened. Okay.
Ayo, gimana?
On second thoughts, you can give me all your money too.
Dismiss.
Get the hell out of here.
Aman ya, udah aman ya. Awas lu, lapar lu.
Now where's Reverend?
Gara-gara si mabok tadi nih kita nih dapat masalah. Dia mau bunuh diri, guys. Ayo buruan.
Reverend, stop!
Dia di atas sana lagi. Oke, kita naik. Bikin kerjaan aja itu. Ayo kuda di mana kamu? Ayo kuda. Bentar. Kita kehabisan tenaga, guys. Itu ini. Oke, kita minum dulu. Kuda, ayo sini kuda.
A friend! It's just a simple mistake. You can still be saved.
Kejar dulu, guys.
Get your foot!
It appears to like this place and wants to stay.
Itu ada kereta datang, guys.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your
Hey,
leg,
cepat.
you drunken bastard! Help!
Ayo buruan. Ayo. Sempat dong. Aduh. Ngeri, guys. Astaga. Bikin kerjaan banget ini orang.
No, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry.
Dia
I wish I
nangis.
was different.
Let's get you home.
Home. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea.
Ya, itu dia
I could
bagus.
have tea with Margaret.
Margaret, who's Margaret?
What?
Nah, pingsan kan? Hahaha. Bikin kerjaan banget nih orang.
A flush of
Taruh.
diamonds.
Oke, kita balik, guys. Kayaknya ini harus dibawa ke camp lagi nih orang.
Don't mind if I do.
Wis. Oh, topi kita jangan lupa.
Wonderful. One for the road.
Oh, kenapa tuh?
What are you mumbling
Kok
about?
kudanya kebalik sih? Lah, mati kudanya. Oh, bangun lagi. Lah. Kenapa itu ya? Astaga, biarin dah. Capean itu guys, kudanya dipaksa terus tuh buat jalan. Kita selesaikan misi aja ya. Wis, keren. Ini game dengan grafik terkeren yang pernah Amang mainin, bener. Real banget guys. Kita taruh sini ya kudanya ya. Terus kita taruh mana dia nih? Oh, sana. Ini orang bikin capek aja nih.
I was wondering when he'd show up.
Mana tendanya mana? Oh ini. Enak juga ya punya tenda beginian ya.
You better sleep your way to
Halo
salvation,
Boy
my
Bidik.
friend.
Boy Bidik.
What happened?
Ambilin papa kopi dong, Boy Bidik.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.
Dia beruntung katanya. Hampir aja kan mati tadi dia. Mission complete. Oke, kita lihat map lagi ya. Kita harus kemana nih? Yang dekat dulu. Ini. Kiren. Bentar deh. Ini banyak tanda-tanda nih.
Mr. Morgan.
Donat katanya donat.
I'm getting worried. Where are you?
Crafting upgrade apa ya?
Bring me some materials, and I'll be glad to make something nice for you.
Wih, kekunci semua masih. Wih, keren nih. Oh, ke tempat tinggal dia tuh ini.
Come on now, Pearson.
Bisa diapain ya? Gak bisa diapa-apain guys. Tek. Oh, ambil bir dulu. Minum. Wis. Oke. Nih. Halo. Kita ambil nih. Makan kita guys. Hanya ngiler. Jadi lapar juga gini. Ngeliat ginian doang jadi lapar guys. Oh, enak bener dia makannya. Kenapa sih? Makan terus sampai kenyang. Habisin. Iya, cat. Main buang aja dia. Udah. Ini siapa nih?
Please.
Speak. Don't cry, boy. Speak about your gang.
Oh, ini geng musuh nih.
I can't.
Aku tidak bisa katanya.
Boy.
Whoa! Hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
Ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing. They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horseshit! You see, we heard that part, so how about
Kita skip
you
aja ya, kelamaan ya.
That's what you want me to do.
Hurt him so the
Skip.
next time he opens.
Let's both hope you ain't trying
Flank
to trick
knife,
us,
wah,
O'Driscoll.
flank knife.
I ain't no
Pencet
O'Driscoll.
F1 untuk detail. Oh, ya udah. Kita kan main pistol, ngapain pakai pisau? Jauh amat
He
deknya.
sure as shit was.
Ayo
John,
buruan.
Bill, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where we heading?
Up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him.
Sure.
You gonna pay your buddies
On
on
your
respect.
horse katanya.
He taking us to
Udah
college?
lagi kita.
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you.
Bentar ya. Emang gedein ini dulu ya. Ini digedein aja nih. Soalnya nggak ngelindung-lindungin banget juga sih. Turun dikit. Oke, udah pas. Sip.
Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close.
Ayo,
If I know
kita
where
lanjut.
we are, it's up past Valentine.
All right, I'll lead.
Terus kemana?
Sharing saddle with an old
Oh,
Driscoll.
sana.
Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say?
Hey, yang di
I ain't
belakang.
no Driscoll.
You sure
Kopi
look
dong.
like one, and you smell like
Ayo, lari.
you smell like one too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right.
Ini kita kemana
Why
ya?
are you high?
Morgan, you got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Doug said that you might. I was asked
Ini ya.
give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to
kemana ya?
mention it.
Ini kok suara beling-beling sih belakang?
Hey, if I got my bearings, it's over here.
Oh, harinya berawan guys.
Yeah,
Mau hujan kayaknya nih.
I know this country.
Wih,
Take this
bener-bener
track
deh
up
game
through
ini
the
deh.
rocks.
Careful,
Hey,
Morgan.
Are you okay?
Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm
But
fine.
I'm fine
Damn
katanya.
well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She
Oh,
won't
kita
be
naik,
reasoned
kita
with.
naik ke bukit ini guys.
Well,
Bukan
when
sih,
you
ke
was
celah-celahnya.
having failure
Ke
of
celah
reason,
bukit.
hiding behind
Halo, yang di belakang kopi
you
dong.
were getting shot at.
And I'd do the
Kopi
same
Anang
for
Bidik
you
habis nih.
if you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I fear you don't know
Ah,
how to help
cakep
anyone.
banget pemandangannya guys.
Yourself.
You see, old
Awas
Driscoll,
masuk ke kamera sebelah
this is how he
sini.
treats his friends. Imagine
Thank
what he
you
does to
my
his
darling.
Now we go
Ayang
left,
bebek.
it'll take us
Kita
up
ayang
and
bebek
around.
guys. Mana kita kemana? Di sini ya? Oh. Ini terus kita nih ngapain ya? Ngebut dong, ngebut. Ayo.
Head for 'em.
Save your horses. We gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you
Ih,
just
bener-bener
I've been
pemandangannya.
watching you all these weeks,
Ah.
and
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
Keren banget, guys.
I'd say you don't
Sumpah,
know
gamenya
much
keren
about the
banget.
O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them, and I know all about them. So
Tell us then. How
Jauh
are we like
juga nih
those
kita jalan nih,
murdered
yang kali
dogs?
ini misinya
you're
ya.
outlawed like them. You're out to survive.
Oh, berawan. Nah, kan mendung kan?
Rough. You live
Ini mau
hard,
hujan ini guys.
fighting the law, nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll. O'Driscoll.
Oh ya, ini game open world ya.
We're out to
Cuma
live
banyak misinya.
free. Combs
Dan
a sneak
kita baru
thief
buka
and a
sedikit
killer.
kayaknya di map itu.
Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all. Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
Ah, itu masuk hutan katanya.
We're going in quiet, taking them out as we find them,
Itu ada rumah tuh. Itu
trying
ada rumah
not to
tuh.
set things off. But if we do, we move quick and hard. We settle this like we know
Kita
how.
mampir ke rumah itu
okay?
ya.
Okay by me.
With you,
Bentar ya. Setting mouse dulu deh. Kayaknya terlalu cepet mouse-nya. Kurang smooth. Oh, fullin. Nah kan, segitu aja cukup, itu cukup. Oke, ada lagi nggak? Udah ya.
Alright then.
Kan jauh lebih enak yang ini, dilihat. Oke, kita harus kemana? Jadi gerakannya tuh nggak patah-patah lagi, guys.
Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horse.
Itu sudah sangat dekat katanya.
I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy,
Aku
Bill.
ada senjata di kudaku dan aku udah siap. Ini benar kan? Iya benar sih.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
Oke.
You gonna get them knives?
I said easy.
Enggak ya?
Been a while, boy.
Walah. Oh ya benar turun.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse.
Ikuti aku
We
katanya.
ain't friends.
Oke.
Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now. Come on. It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy.
Ayolah, ini sama aja bunuh diri katanya. Ya kan kita belum tahu nih mau ngapain juga. Oh,
There, there.
lihat
See?
ke belakang bisa ternyata ya. Keren, 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 keren. Keren, gamenya keren banget.
Get down.
Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers. Yup.
And Corm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin.
Oh ini kayak musuh nih.
Passed out, booze blind, likely as not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The fellow that spooked the game, I reckon.
Wah,
I'm gonna
tolong.
drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself.
Yeah,
Ya, dia pipis guys.
If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Oke, kita mau perang nih ya.
Shake it off.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
Send Bill. Oke, Bill duluan.
Williamson.
Okay. I got him.
You know what's really quiet? A knife.
Oke, kita diam-diam. Oke, yang ini bareng kita ya.
What's the plan?
Sooner we get this over with.
Let's get close to these two. Make no mistakes here.
Ya, bareng-bareng sini.
That's what the knife's
Sini,
for.
buruan.
When we're
Kita harus
there,
bareng.
we move at the same time.
Lo kok ketahuan? Nggak kena. Tusuk, tusuk, tusuk. Iya, dia kecil nggak boleh lihat ya. Oh, kita harus pakai pistol sekarang. Oh no, 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 cari tempat sembunyi. Iya, pakai jurus pamungkas dulu. Mana lagi, mana lagi? Iya, kita perang guys. Ganti senjata yang gede. Nah, ini favorit ini. Lepas, lepas. Ini orang ngapain sih deket-deket sini? Satu. Wah, oh pecah kepalanya. Kena kan? Nah kan? Mana lagi, mana lagi? Itu tuh ada. Iya. Dia ngokang dulu guys. Ayo maju, 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 maju. Sembunyi di batu. Ayo. Malah di pohon. Mana, mana? Kena lu. Nah. Kena lu. Anang bidik loh ini. Dilawan dia Anang bidik. Buru. Sembunyi. Ada satu tuh. Ah, meleset. Kena. Gak mati dia. Terusin lagi nih. Muncul. Nah kan. Itu ada yang kabur. Kejar dulu. Ayo. Jangan ada yang kabur. Pokoknya habisin sampai ke akar-akarnya. Masih. Itu dia tuh. Mau kabur kemana kamu, hah? Gak ada jalan loh. Lah. Mati guys. Oke. Ternyata kita harus ke kabin. Biar aja yang kabur. Sorry guys.
Okay, now what? We're at the perimeter. Wait on my mark. I'm gonna take a look at these boys. Sure thing.
Lu kepalanya pecah, ayo perang. Deket amat lu. Ayo sini. Ini enak. Gitu. Reload. Sabar woi. Sorry. Lagi nih. Meleset. Udah kena. Kena kan? Gitu. Itu dia. Muncul. Kan kena kan? Oke. Tembak lagi. Ini lagi nih. Meleset. Kena lagi tuh. Mana lagi? Kok tambah banyak sih? Pakai pistol aja. Kita pakai pistol ya, biar cepet ya.
Leave them. Comb's still here.
Nah lo.
He said Comb be in the cabin. I'll check. You look out here.
Kita cari kabinnya guys. Ini dia nih. Kita cari jalan buat masuk ya. Kok nggak ada pintunya sih? Oh, dari depan sini ternyata ya. Tolong. Iya, sip. Hampir aja.
You alright?
Sure. Thank you.
Malah kawanan kita yang nolong, guys.
Colm O'Driscoll. He ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here.
He was here, I swear. If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
Iya.
All right, then.
Karena dia selamatin kita tadi.
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you
Get
up.
lost.
Shit, lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm one of you now.
Oh, dia mau bergabung sama kita, guys.
Break.
Masuk di geng kita dia.
All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Oh, hey, I know.
Oke, tapi aku peringatkan kamu katanya.
So you got the cash then?
What cash?
Yeah, there's usually some cash in the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys get to camp quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet.
Right you are.
Oke, kita cari dulu di sini petunjuk. Search the cabinet. Ini banyak nih peluru nih. Shotgun. Ambil. Zaman dulu tuh gini ya. Kita ini musuhan sama orang, kita serang, habis itu dijarah rumahnya ya. Inilah khas Amerika zaman dulu guys. Kerjanya ya ini main kartu penjahatnya ya, untuk banditnya ya, minum bir gitulah. Wah, yang kita tadi jatuhin, kita ambil yang ini ya. Udah nggak usah pakai pistol dulu deh. Sudah ini, terus diapain? Ini udah. Oh. Double barrel shotgun. Zoom. Klasik banget ya. Baik. Terus kita bersihkan. Tapi kayaknya udah karatan ya. Oh, kondisinya naik guys. Oh, kerusakannya juga berkurang tuh. Wah, jadi bagus guys. Balik. Wah, keren. Oke lah. Oke, kita pakai yang ini. Oh, ada apa dalam situ ya? Oh, dapat duit kita. Apa tadi? Nah, biarin. Banyak duit kita guys. Terus ada apa lagi sini? Mani, ambil. Kita mengut-mengutin duit di lantai. Sini. Loot. Ambil. Dapat apa kita? Dapat bir. Oh, ginseng. Buat berobat. Ternyata ginseng di zaman cowboy sudah ada ya di Amerika ya. Ini jangan lupa di loot ini. Biar kaya kita guys. Mana lagi nih? Banyak ini yang bisa di loot. Oke. Sabar ya. Ini mau ngulit-ngulitin dulu nih. Tuh kan. Krim port. Ayo kabur kita. Kita udah dilaporin nih. Kita harus keluar dari zona ini dulu guys. Mana ya? Oh, mereka dari sana guys. Berarti kita kaburnya ke sana. Jurang lagi. Ayo kabur. Kita di jurang guys. Udah gelap ya harinya. Oke, ini. Oke, kita bisa tinggalkan tempat ini akhirnya. Itu tempat apa depan? Oh, bukan apa-apa ya. Oh, udah malam guys. Oke, kita mau kemana sekarang? Mungkin jauh deh. Nah, ini. Tapi kayaknya kita selesaikan yang di sini dulu ya. Mana nih? LS aja ya. Oke, kita ke sini. Terbalik arahnya. Udah malam guys. Gak enak dilihat ini udah. Pakai pistol. Oh, tangan kosong aja lah. Belok sana. Jauh juga ya ternyata ya. Nah, itu di Valentine sekarang. Pelan. Wah, ada kuburan guys. Lewat sini. Oh, kotanya kalau malam kayak gini ya. Masih rame aja ternyata. Oke, ngebut. Ntar ini kesana kita kan terang. Wis, bulannya guys. Tuh guys. Wah, kerennya. Thank you Rockstar udah bikin game begini. Ada orang nih. Oh, gelap lagi nih. Ketutupan gunung kayaknya. Sini. Oke. Kita balik ke camp nih ya. Oh, jauh juga guys. Salah.
It's Arthur.
Ini Arthur. Oh, kehabisan supplies. Oke, kita isi supply dulu guys. Mana ya? Oh, ini siapa nih? Ayang bebek seksi amat. Hei, mana? Hei. Mana ya tempat supply ya? Ini tempat apa nih? Inspect. Oh, foto-foto doang sih. Examine. Siapa nih? Siapa ini ya? Battery Morgan. Hah? Battery Morgan Spring 1870. Wah, belum 1900 guys. Back. Nah, terus kita kemana ini? Nggak bisa diapa-apain. Mana ya tempat kita mau nyumbang daging tadi ya? Daging, ayo oh itu di sana. Kita punya daging apa ya? Kita donasi dulu. Nih kita punya daging 2 guys.
Don't you overcook this now,
Ini apa nih? Animal fat. Oh ini lemak binatang. Kita kasih aja ya semua ya.
Good job, Arthur.
Kita kasih 1 ya.
Dah. Better than nothing, Pearson.
Terus kita nyumbang uang dulu. Oke, ini dia. Kontribusi, kita berkontribusi dulu, guys. Give item atau give money. Give item memang ada apa ya? Oh, ini. Pulpen. Oh, ada harganya, guys. Kasih pulpen aja ya. Jamnya bagus sih. Biarlah. Kita kasih aja jamnya. Oke. Kita sumbang uang lagi di sini. Anggota tim yang baik tuh harus nyumbang, guys. Berapa ya? Kita tadi menang $12 ya. Ya udah, nyumbang $2 deh. Oke. Udah. Kita menambah kepercayaan di camp ini, guys. Kelompok ini. Terus kita harus ke Dutch ya. Ini Dutch ya. Bukan, itu tuh targetnya tuh. Sana ya. Oh, itu Kapi Unggun tuh, ada orang tuh. Halo.
Herr Morgan, Herr Morgan.
Mr. Strauss?
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning. Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. A Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm.
Skip.
He's a hand, I believe.
Perlu apa Pak Tua ini ya?
Put the debts in the deed box and try not to kill them. It's very bad for
Save
business.
dokumen. Reclaim debt from debtor.
I can't complain.
LS. Oh, kemana jauh ya? Oh, ke sana. Oke lah. Tapi kita lebih baik tidur dulu ya. Kita ke rumah kita tadi. Mana tempat tidur kita tadi ya? Besok aja. Jadi pemandangan juga enak lihat. Soal malam gelap, guys. Ini nih tempat tidur kita nih. Yes. Save. Oh. Ini ngapain? Trim. Wah.
It's a beautiful night. We're set by fire. Now,
Oh.
death, despair, disaster all around us. But
Oh, ini aja nih ganteng nih. Oke. Rambutnya gimana rambut? Tomat hair. Oh, nggak bisa, nggak punya. Barulah kita tidur, guys. Mana tempat tidurnya? Ini, kayaknya ini tempat tidur kita, guys. Sleep. Oh, morning, 6 jam. Oke. Berarti ini tengah malam ya. Oke, udah pagi, jadi kita akan berangkat ke misi kemarin. Tadi juga, barusan juga. Bentar. Poin-poinnya udah ada. Kuda kita di mana? Hey, Dats.
Good morning.
Pagi.
Okay, boy.
Ganteng kan? Tuh kan? Udah dicukur dia, guys. Oke, kita jalankan misi dulu. Lewat sini. Salah jalan lagi. Oh ya, benar. Belum ada mobil motor ya zaman ini ya. Mungkin masih bentuk ide sih, atau masih diteliti sih sama peneliti zaman dulu. Assalamualaikum. Oh, lewat air ya. Ini kenapa nih? Enggak, kita jalankan misi kita aja, guys. Sini kita harus nyebrang lewat air. Wah, keren banget, guys. Halo. Oh, naik gunung lagi kita sini. Naik ke atas emang bisa? Bisa dong, kuda kita ini kuat ternyata ya. Di sini. Kita nagih hutang ini, guys.
Knock, Mr. Robo.
Mr. Robert.
Przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu?
God damn it. English?
Uh,
You speak English?
Me?
Kamu bahasa Inggris bisa?
Silesia.
Yeah, good for
Upper
you.
Silesia.
I'm here for money.
Aku
You
kesini untuk
borrowed
uang.
from a German man?
Oh, orang Jerman dia, guys.
Mein Herr, sprechen das Kaiserreich,
I don't speak German neither. I'm here for money. Money.
Money.
You borrowed
Duit,
from
guys.
Leopold
Duit.
Strauss.
Leopold Strauss.
Yeah. So it's time to pay. Where is it?
Well, no, have nothing. It's very bad winter.
We've all had a bad winter, pal. Where is it?
No.
Bayar nggak? Oke,
Now, you remember where you're keeping that
pukul dulu sekali. Iya.
Potrzebuję
Mau bayar nggak lo? Bayar.
Dajcie ci pieniądze.
No, still
Pukul
don't
lagi.
understand you. God damn it, you haven't.
Oh ya, adik-adik jangan diikutin ya. Lagi hutang tuh yang benar.
Nie mam siły.
Diomongin yang benar ya. Ini kan game, jadi jangan diikutin kalau yang game.
No, nie. No.
Nangis ya dia.
No have money, but
Aku tidak punya uang, tapi aku punya ini katanya. Apa?
good.
Ini sangat bagus.
Valuable. Is
Warzawa. Yes.
I have your things. Okay? I have anything in here or out there.
Oke, kita meluting rumahnya. Maksudnya ngeluting-luting apa yang ada di sini. Dapur. Ini rumah, masuk langsung
Don't
dapur.
even speak
Gak ada
English.
apa-apa. Pintunya banyak bener. Ada apa nih? Search the cabinet. Oke. Ambil. Apa itu?
Must come here with something.
valuable. Good.
Not good yet.
Ambil.
Longer I look, the madder I get.
No.
Nah, ini ada lemari nih, guys.
Yes.
Ambil.
Nie rób tego. I must eat, proszę.
Ngomong. Kasih dia.
Okay, that should about cover things.
Gak ada apa-apa. Udah. Return to depth compound. Oh, kita balikin ke Pak Tua tadi. Oh. Ini rumah dia, ini kamarnya nih. Oke lah. Kalau gitu, permisi dulu. Orang Jerman. Ayo. Udah, kita balik. Return. Nih, kita kasihkan uangnya ke Pak Tua. Keren banget ya, punya rumah di atas gunung ya guys. Wah, pokoknya game ini the best of the best. Nyebrang. Oke, kita balik guys. Ah, itu siapa tuh? Banyak orang. Kayaknya bandit selain kita juga ada sih.
Who's there? It's
Halo,
me.
Bill.
Look who's back.
Oh, kita harus donasikan untuk camp kita. Oke. Ya, nggak bisa lari guys. Jalan lagi kita guys.
When I was frisky, when foolish hope
Kita donasi dulu.
like waves on the Bay of Biscay.
Wih, $38. Oh, dicatat. Oh, gitu. Oh, banyak juga ya. Arthur. Oh, yang lain banyak ya. Kita nyumbang $2. Tapi kan kita barusan nyumbang tuh $38 tuh. Oke dah. Nggak perlu. Purchase. Nah, kita harus ngapain ini? Hide info. Show info. Bingung juga ini guys. Mahal-mahal, duit kita juga terbatas kan. 300. Nggak bisa escape guys. Yaudah ini deh. Wah, kita upgrade tempat tidur kita. Wah, banyak kita punya whiskey guys.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Called in on the smallholder, Roble. Didn't even speak English.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to
Thank
thank
you.
me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's
Wah,
more slippery
asal
than
aja
he
minum
seems.
langsung dari
I've
situ
tried
ini.
being polite.
Panas
Don't take any
gosong-gosong
nonsense.
mulutnya kan.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Barbar ya, gaya-gaya cowboy ini ya.
No, I know.
Mission complete. Oke guys, kita sudah 1 jam kurang lebih main hari ini. Jadi kita akan lanjutkan di episode yang berikutnya guys. Pokoknya buat kalian yang mau channel ini berkembang, Jangan lupa di subscribe, di like, share, and comment ya guys ya. Amang Anang mau pamit dulu. Nanti kita akan jalankan masih banyak misi di sini. Oh tuh, ya ada 2. Nah kan kita harus ke sana. Ini untuk next episode ya, kita akan ke sana ya. Hari ini sampai di sini dulu. Amang Anang mau pamit. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.